Hello everyone, this is Holly Sheree, aka Miss Slim Sounds Productions again, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to change patterns into a song. If you haven't seen the video on how to create patterns, then you can refer back to that video before watching this. So I'm going to start off by pressing the pattern button, and in this particular case I have several different patterns that I've created, and they also have different pattern sections in each pattern. If you don't know what that means, refer back to the previous video on how to create patterns. Press F6, which is chain, on the screen, and then you see this window pop up. And so what I'm going to do is change my tempo, which my tempo was at 60, and now I'm going to press the record button. Instead of starting with pattern section A, I'm going to start with B and then eventually progress, to make the song how I want it to sound. So in this case, I'm going to change it to B. And you could do that also if you press the pattern section button over here and go to 2. So A would be 1, B would be 2, C 3, D 4, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to start recording my chain out of my patterns to create my song. So here we go. I press play and it starts to record. That's the beginning. It's now recording this. So I'm going to go to C. Go to D. I'm going to go back to B. And now I'm going to stop the recording. Okay, so now I have that done. The patterns are chained together. So I'm going to go and play it back so I can see if there's anything that I need to change. So now I am going to press edit because there is something that I want to change, which was where I left that space. So as you can see, I'm going to go back up to measure, let me see, 13, and I want to take that out. Instead of having that space in there, I'm going to toggle over and change the pattern section to D. And then that way it won't have that dead space. So now I'm going to press F3, which is song. And now it's going to say convert to song. So basically it's asking me which slot I want to put it in. So I can toggle the wheel and put it wherever I want to, but I'm going to leave it at 1. And basically all of those patterns that you just chained together, the pattern sections, is now going to be, you know, created into a song or converted into a song. So I'm going to press enter to execute. Enter again. And now it's executing. And now it's completed. So now I'm going to get out of pattern section and press song. And I'm going to toggle the wheel to number 1. And as you can see up there at the top is tracks. Basically it's tracks in there. So it's showing me that my song is there. So if I play it, the song is stored in the number 1 slot for the song button. So now I'm going to go and name the beat. You go press job and go down to number 4, name song, press enter. And this beat is called Knock. So just toggle your wheel. You press enter and it says executing complete. So now when you go back to the song, it is now named. That concludes the video on how to create a song/instrumental out of pattern sections. So basically that comes in handy whenever I'm creating a beat and I don't feel like doing it on my music software. Then I'll just do it on my Yamaha MOXF 8 and then I'll record it to my music software, aka DAW. But I'll do a more detailed video on how to do that. If y'all have any comments or questions, just let me know. And thanks for watching.